Order was shipped immediately and was delivered to Boracay Island in 7 days from Manila. Package is not bubble wrapped and it's just a cling wrap. However, no damage done to the box in spite of the heavy rain on delivery day. Box has the Uratex Trill Mattress branding. Comfortable sleep experience in a box. Agreed, because the mattresses available locally here are not great. And this one would be good without putting a hole in your pocket. The Trill Air version costs 7,700 peso including delivery. Box has handles on the side for easy transportation. The dimensions of the box are 32 by 30 by 163 centimeters and weighs around 20 kilograms. This is the queen size mattress. Thickness is 5 inches. Instructions for unboxing are printed on the box. Looks simple enough. So let's check it out. Used a knife for unboxing. Make sure to not cut into the plastic cover. Box also contains this small bag. Has some more Uratex branding. Mattress size which is purchased. Instructions to set the mattress. Same information which is also available on the box. And safety cutting blade with Trill branding. Looks safe enough, so let's get cutting. As soon as the plastic is cut, the mattress starts to expand. And in about less than 30 seconds with already the expanded to its 5-inch thickness. Uratex recommends that 72 hours is needed for it to expand completely, but it still can be used immediately, which we did. Just realized that I had removed the plastic and the mattress was on the wrong side, so I had to flip it. It's a perfect fit for my queen-size bed. The feel of the fabric is very luxurious, and it's a thumbs up for me. I would highly recommend this mattress for its comfort, convenience, and price point. You can also try this mattress in the physical store in Marikina. Address is on the screen. They have a wide variety of mattresses which you can try and fits all budgets. This is the Regal version of the Trill Mattress series. This is the Trill Air version which we just unboxed. This is the 2-in-1 version of the Trill Mattress series. This is the Trill C version of the Trill Mattress series. Please like and subscribe if you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.